Hi, this is Jim with ForTradingEducation.com, and here's a stock trade we're in currently in the premium stock newsletter, and this is exactly the type of trades I hope to be bringing you in the future here. Now, CAKE, cake, made a base here. Looks like it made a head and shoulders bottom, and then I recommended going long above this bar's high. So whatever day that was, like say just for an example, it was a Monday, I recommended to go long on a stop above this bar's high, which would have been around 34.60, and then so the next trading day that got stopped in, and then our stop loss was down here around 32.52, just below this bar. That was our original stop, and now the trade has moved our way. So now I don't know if I'll be able to get that off there or not, if I can line it up exactly right. But now our stop, I've moved it up to here, so it's just below the entry bar's low, and we're at a very low risk on this trade. We're at probably, again, we got in around 34.60. The stop's about 33.30 or something like that, and basically we're at a low risk trade here. And then if it moves higher from here, I'll be moving the stop up to break even as soon as possible. And I think this stock has some pretty good upside potential. I think this stock could keep going from here. I think this is a breakout from this base. You know, here's the head and shoulders breakout if the trend line comes over here. Here's the breakout from the head and shoulders right here. And then also now we're breaking above this resistance area here. So I think this stock has a lot of upside potential here. I'm going to move the stop to break even as soon as possible. I don't want to move it up too fast and get stopped out of a good trade. But the thing is once we get to break even, then we can let it run. And I like to let them run as far as I can, because that's the name of the game, getting big winners and cutting your losses short. So we don't want to just take a small winner on this. Now here's another thing, one last thing. Here's another thing I looked at to get us long in this trade, is how this was making this base here, and then this strong volume day here on this reversal bar. That was another reason we got in it long in cake, and that's the kind of things you'll see when I put out the trades, because I'll do a daily video or a daily chart. Sometimes I might have some technical problems. I don't want to say I'll put out a video like every day, because then I'll have a technical problem and people go, well, where's the video? So I'll put out a video, chart, or even sometimes probably both, and showing you what the reasoning was behind taking the trade on cake. I mean, it's just a beautiful chart pattern, beautiful volume pattern, and then you can see with the TNT software I use, track and trade software I use, the bars turned green, so everything lined up on this trade for cake, and it looks like it's going to be a good trade for us. So thanks for listening to my video. This is Jim with ForTradingEducation.com.